If you feel stuck in life right now, it's not your situation, it's your mindset. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 20 powerful shifts that can completely change how you think and how you live. And stay with me, because number 7 is where most people get stuck. Welcome. Today, I want to share an idea that has the power to reshape how you think and how you live. This is not just motivation. It's a practical system, a way of thinking that can turn fear into confidence, stress into clarity, and doubt into action. Simple, real, and something you can start using immediately. Think of this as your personal blueprint for building a stronger mind. Let's begin. 1. Believe you can improve. Most people stop before they start. Not because they can't do it, but because they've already decided they can't. Instead of asking, am I good enough? Ask, am I getting better? That one shift puts you back in control. 2. Guard your mental space. Your mind is constantly under attack. Notifications, opinions, noise. And the more you consume, the less clearly you think. Not everything deserves your attention. Protect your mind like it matters, because it does. 3. Act before you feel ready. You will never feel 100% ready, and waiting for that moment is the fastest way to stay stuck. Start before you're confident, because confidence is built through action. 4. Create happiness daily. Happiness isn't something you unlock later. It's something you build now, in small moments, simple routines, quiet wins. If you keep waiting for someday, you'll miss what's already here. 5. Expect better outcomes. Your expectations shape your behavior. Expect failure? You hesitate. Expect progress? You move. You don't need certainty. You just need a mindset that pushes you forward. 6. Choose your inputs carefully. What you feed your mind becomes your thoughts, and your thoughts become your reality. If you constantly consume negativity, you'll feel it. Be intentional. 7. Stop overthinking, start doing. This is where most people get stuck. They think and think and think again. But nothing changes. Clarity doesn't come from overthinking. It comes from movement. Take one step, then adjust. That's how progress actually works. 8. Trust slow progress. Not everything shows results immediately, and that's why people quit too early. But growth is often invisible, until one day it's obvious. Stay consistent. 9. Find meaning in effort. When something feels pointless, it drains you. But when it has meaning, you find energy, even when it's hard. Ask yourself, why does this matter? That answer changes everything. 10. Let go of the past. You can't move forward if you're still holding on to what's behind you. Mistakes, regret, old stories. Learn from them, but don't live in them. 11. Slow down to think better. Rushing creates mistakes. Slowing down creates clarity. You don't need to do more. You need to think better. 12. Stay calm when it matters most. Things will go wrong. That's part of life. But your reaction? That's your power. Pause. Breathe. Then respond. 13. Train your mind daily. Mental strength isn't built in one day. It's built in small moments. Doing what you said you'd do. Staying focused. Showing discipline. Over time, that becomes who you are. 14. Take care of your energy.
Your body affects your mind. If you're tired, stressed, or drained, your thinking suffers. Sleep better. Move more. Simple habits make a big difference. 15. Invest in the right people. The people around you shape your mindset. Their energy becomes your energy. Choose wisely and invest in real connections.
17. Set boundaries without guilt. You don't need to say yes to everything. Protect your time. Protect your energy. Because if you don't, no one else will. 17. Take action with belief. Belief alone isn't enough. Action alone isn't enough. But together, that's where momentum begins. 18. Choose kindness anyway. Kindness isn't weakness. It's strength under control. In how you speak, in how you respond, in how you treat others. It shapes your environment more than you think. 19. Don't quit too early. Most people don't fail. They stop. And often, they stop right before progress shows. If it's hard, you're probably on the right path. Keep going.
20. Live with intention.
Don't just go through life. Decide how you want to live. Make choices that actually matter to you. Because a meaningful life is built on purpose, not accident. Final message. Your mindset shapes everything. The way you think controls the way you act. And the way you act creates the life you live. You don't need to change everything today. Just start with one shift, then another. Because small changes in thinking create big changes in life. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow and allows me to create more content like this for you. And remember, you don't need a new life. You just need a new way of thinking. See you in the next video.